Do you know many people are having trouble with setting their fax pickup rings? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access Setup. On your printer's home screen, tap the Setup button to begin the process. Step 2. Open Fax Setup. Select the option for Fax Setup. This will take you to the necessary configuration menu. Step 3. Select Basic Setup. Inside the Fax Setup menu, find and select the Basic Setup option. Step 4. Modify Ring Setting. Navigate to the Rings to Answer option and press it to adjust the setting. Step 5. Confirm New Setting. Enter the preferred number of rings using the keypad and confirm by pressing OK. Now, you should be able to adjust the number of rings your fax picks up with ease on your HP printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.